Uh, Welcome back to data structure using C++. Today we are going to learn a very simple and important concept called as stack. So have you ever seen stack of plates? Suppose I place one plate, then another plate, and then one more plate on the top. Now if I want to remove a plate, which plate will come first? Last plate, correct? This is called as LIFO, last in, first out. A stack is a linear data structure where insertion and deletion happens only at one end called as top. So what are different operations? First operation is push operation. Push means adding a new element to the top of the stack. Suppose I push 10, 20, then 30. Now 30 is at top. Second operation is pop. Pop means removing the top element. So if I perform pop, which element will remove? 30. Why? Because 30 was the last element inserted. That's why stack follows last in, first out. Top tell us a position of the current element. When stack is empty, top is -1. When we insert element in the top, then top becomes 0. When we push the element, top increases.